Right, following on for the electrical fan, there's a couple of sensors. There's a water temp sensor, there's the fan, automatic fan sensor to turn it on and off, and there's a oil pressure sender. Which will give us an exact oil pressure reading. That's the motor gadget one. The problem with this is there's nowhere really to put it, so I'm going to come out of here with a hose and mount it here somewhere. You'll see this is not tapered, so I'm going to have to put this, give it a bit of help with this. Right, should be fine. Same with this. So I've just used a male step down, step up, whatever you want to call it. So that needs to go in there. Now, this is a one wire switch, so it's grounded through this. So I don't want to be going mad with this, but enough to help the seal, because again, it's not tapered. So I'm just going to put a blob on half of it. So we'll still get the contact through there. So that's the water temp sensor. Net. Nothing extreme. Again, some wipes. And same thing with this. Just a slight little bit on this one. Now this, if anyone can help me here, this is, we call it a nail head connector, and I can't seem to figure out a good way to connect it that locks it in place properly. Apparently it's used on old American cars. Okay, so that's the engine. The radiator we drilled out. I wasn't going to do this, but since we've mixed the sealant, let's take it out again. I hate this stuff. doing what it does. So same principle. So that will dry overnight properly. So leave that as a test, see if it goes off. Get rid of all these gunky bits. Now the radiator is that it's touching metal, so it should be fine, maybe. Right, so next task is putting the radiator on. I'll just put that on to start with, loosely. So it just needs a nip at the end. I've got the cover for this. Got this that blanks that off. Right. Can't remember what's first. This, I guess. Oh, and it's a hanger. Of course it is. Now check this out. Nice, freshly powder coated. Beautiful. It's the only thing I've really done. I just wanted to test the guy. I'm really happy with how that's turned out. It's mocked up, so let's not. Don't need to get everything greased up, do we? Just yet. We need a rubber grommet on there. Just here. Go on, you fucker. Jesus. Anyway, what was I saying? Beautiful. Beautiful job. I'm well impressed. Fucking. It's okay actually. I thought it was gonna be a cunt. Yeah, this goes on now. Bolts. I'm going to use a bit of lube on these because one's a bit stiff. Clean the threads, but it's again the glass. And that tap for this size. Let's put a bit of lube on. So the fan is still okay. It's not touching. Next is the radiator. They go on there. Right, that goes like that. I'll show you this, my little idea. It's not finished. That's that. Right, next, the water pipe. I've just had this powder coated, looks great I think now. Now I'm not sure about this, what's best. I've heard problems with them leaking here. So I think it's just a trial and error really. Put some Vaseline on. I'm going to go for a double seal. Do see the problem. Right, fit the weir. Or the dam, the air dam. Swap the rivets over. show you that now. You might want to get the
action.
Not want to put on this side.
Hang on, don't do it yet.
Yeah, this needs a squeeze.
I'll hold it.
You fucking shaky Stevens.
Right, don't do it yet. Your fingers are in the way.
I say I'm not.
It's a good great video.
Right, okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Yep. Hang on.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, yeah. How's that?
That one's shit.
It's good enough, isn't it? Proper dog, innit? Quick. So, that was something. Right, bolts. Bolt. There we go. So, final thing, finish it up. It's not quite finished. There's a few, I need to swap out these bolts. So anyway, final things for carbs. You can probably guess. Now, are we going stock or do I do an upgrade? Right, carrying on. So, battery went for the season finale. So I fitted the carbs. There's not much to say really. It's straight bolt on. So good old Murray. It's the Mikuni's. I think it looks great. And that's pretty much all there is left. A few little things, some 4 bolts missing. This has started to tarnish, so I'm going to powder coat that bracket. I need to treat these because they're starting to go as well. It's gone on over the winter. This water sender, you can see that's the problem. Whether we even keep the down, I'm not sure. but it's interfering where the connector will go. What else have we got? There's going to be a cover put on there. So a big kind of gloss, black. New temp sensor. Make a bracket out of thicker gauge alley. At some point, want to get the bracket and the exhaust. It's all got to fit. Coolant reservoir. Not sure what to do with that. Thinking put it on this side and run a hose through there. Maybe. What else is there? The wires are very close to the cam. Not sure you can see. It's not focusing, is it? Anyway, you see the blue wire. So I'm thinking maybe just put some two washers here. I'll bring it out slightly. Give it enough clearance then. I need a screw for that. Screw for that. It's old and manky. And what else have we got on this side? The breather tubes I have, but I'm not sure what to do with that yet. And same with that bracket, it's starting to corrode as well. Through the neutral light. But you know, it's just little things now. On 4 bolts for here. Nice stainless ones. But that's it. Season 1 done. Lessons learned. Tap all your screws. I'm not sure how this paint's going to last up, but I'm not sure how old the engine's going to last. It might go bang. So, but I would powder coat it next time, I think. It looks alright, but I don't know how durable it is. So you compare it, you know. Spent a lot of money. It's taken about a year, not solid obviously, but just parts and time. It's been good. I only started this to learn I've never stripped a bike engine before, or a 4-stroke. So I've learned a hell of a lot, I think, which has been good. And I'm hoping it'll last another 40 years. So I'll give you the walk around. So season 1 done, the engine. Next is the frame. So we'll get some wheels put on it. And we'll get some wheels put on it and start chopping and welding and stuff like that, fabricating. But it needs to get the wheels back on so I know where to chop and proportions of the hoop and everything like this.